In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android power button not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And a broken power button is a manageable hurdle. Whether your phone is currently off or on, you can use these hardware handshakes and software shortcuts to bypass the physical button entirely. So the first thing you want to do, like let's say if it's not working, it might just be a glitch on the system end. So what you could do is force a restart. So go over to your settings and then just go to search bar and then type in restart, and you should see a restart on schedule option. So press this and you can select when you want it to restart. For example, you can pick the specific day and then just pick like in the next 5 minutes, and it will automatically restart. And once it restarts, your power button should be working. However, if it's not working, you want to use virtual power buttons. So what you're going to do is go over to the power icon, and you could go ahead and press that, and then you can power off this way and then turn it back on. But what you could also do for a permanent fix is swipe down on the top right and then go over to settings on the top right again, the wheel cog icon. Once you're in settings, go ahead and scroll down until you find accessibility. So I'm going to keep scrolling. It's towards the very bottom. Go ahead and click on accessibility. And then once you're here, what you want to go ahead and do is toggle the accessibility shortcut menu on. Then just go to interactions and dexterity, and you're going to see a lot of different options. But what you want to do is find a small icon and then tap and select the power to lock your screen or restart your phone. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.